Let's play a game of hair color roulette. So I have my big box of hair dye right here. And I have lots of different colors in here. I'm thinking we will pick out 4 colors and then a couple of bonus colors depending on what the colors are that we pick out. Poison. Aquamarine. Dark red, very similar to that poison color, so we might pick another one for that one. Barely any color in here. Some turquoise. Iris green. Let's see, so we've got green, red, red, blue, blue. What are you? Purple. This color is a nightmare to get out. Some virgin pink. So the colors that we will be working with are virgin pink, aquamarine, poison, iris green, turquoise, purple. My hair is sectioned. I was only planning on doing 4 sections, but I'm feeling super creative, so of course I started a project for myself. I'm going to get started dyeing my hair. I'm watching 13 Ghosts right now, and we will meet back. Here is how the hair turned out. This is how I did it. So I did the purple to turquoise, and then I put a little conditioner at the end so that I had a little bit of a gradient. That'll show up a little bit more that I washed my hair. Then I did a middle section and I did that pink. Then I did this section as the poison. And then I did these as vertical sections. I did the iris green, aquamarine, iris green, and then aquamarine in the front. And I think it turned out freaking awesome. I'm really happy with how it came out. Here is the back side. Hopefully it looks good. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video and if you want to see more of these. This was the first little hair color roulette I've ever done. I was a little nervous, but honestly it turned out really awesome. Let me know how you feel about how the hair came out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!